Hey guys, it's been a while since I created a video to chat with you guys, just kind of give you guys an update on what's going on with this class. So it's finals week, it's Wednesday, and there's no further assignments. I just want you guys to get everything wrapped up, get everything caught up. I'm going to be checking the gradebook daily to see if you guys have submitted files, and I can go ahead and grade those as you submit them. So just remember to get those in by May 8th by 11:30 p.m. and I can get those graded and into the registrar, no problem. Hopefully to see you guys in the fall here. We need to get registered still, a lot of you do. If you want to get registered, just give me a text to my cell number 406-390-2435. I did put that in this one announcement here, so my cell phone number, and it's also in the syllabus, but my cell phone number is right here if you need to get a hold of me. Plus, if you're not happy with the grade that you get in this class, which most of you are doing okay, I don't have anybody failing in here, which is good, but there's probably a few more C's than there would have been if this whole going online suddenly thing hadn't happened. So if you're not happy with your grade, you can get a pass-fail for this course. You'll have to fill out a form and turn it into the registrar like a week after grades come out or something like that. So grades will come out as usual, and then you'll have to fill out the form and turn it into the registrar's office by a certain date. And I will be making a post in here that explains that whole process in the announcements area, and I'll include the form and everything that you need. And if you want, you can email it to me, and I can actually and then you can email it to the registrar, and then she can give you the pass-fail grade. And the nice thing about a pass-fail grade is that it doesn't affect your GPA. So if you got kind of a low grade in here and you have a really good GPA and you don't want to mess it up, then a pass-fail is probably something that you should do. So the last lesson for the class in this is going to be on May 7th. It's lesson 5. It's the Adobe Animate. I didn't make any videos. I meant to, and it just didn't happen. So it's actually going to be extra credit. So most of you should go ahead and do that because most of you could use some extra credit. So go ahead and do this project. But I didn't make those videos, and I think I'm just going to make it extra credit for you guys just to kind of help your guys' grades out a little bit. And so just use the book for this. It should walk you through just like the videos do. Obviously, you're going to have to download that and put it on your phone, and then use the phone to complete the lesson on your computer. That's how I did it anyway, because it's just too hard to try and read the book and do the lesson on one screen. If you have a tablet, that works too, to put the book on. Download the PDF or email the PDF to yourself, and then download it from just however, or Google Docs, use Google Docs to get it to yourself on a different device. But so this will be an extra credit. That's due May 7th. If you're missing any other work, obviously, yeah, like I said, May 8th is the drop dead date by 11:30 p.m. Yeah, and if you guys want to get a hold of me on my cell, 406-390-2435, just text me. If you have any questions about your grade, or if you want to register for fall classes. I've been trying to kind of get a hold of you guys, but it's been a little bit spotty. I'm going to continue to try and get a hold of you guys and get you signed into some of the courses for fall, but something I meant to do before spring break, planned on doing after at least. But with this happening, it kind of, put a halt to that. So we're just going to have to do it this way. But we can always meet in my office in Pershing, or we can just do it over the email, whatever works for you. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good summer. I hope you enjoyed the course, even though it kind of ended up going a different direction than originally we were going to go in. And I hope to see you guys in the fall too. So yeah, have a good summer, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Don't forget to text me if you need anything.